What you're looking at is the storefront Furniture 42. I'm making this video because I purchased a sofa from this establishment. And as I met Jackie, I can't say enough what a pleasure it was, right? Not only my sofa, right, and the purchase, but watching Jackie basically doing his thing, right? Jackie is very personable and, right, a young man that lives up to his word and goes way beyond what is normal. I've purchased furniture from a lot of different establishments, and I've never seen such a dedicated young man as Jackie. Anyway, without further ado, let's watch the video together. And this video basically is for the Albuquerque and Rio Rancho people that might be considering purchasing new furniture. Going the extra mile for the Wise Guys. Yeah. Miss Wise Guy new sectional. All right, let's take a look at the truck. All right. Okay. Jackie's running the basically his family, right? Your family, right?
Yes, sir. Family owned.
That's right. Family operating. You work Santa Fe, Albuquerque, and Rio.
Yes, sir.
That's Rio Rancho, folks. That's where his store is out of. Highly recommend you go visit his store. It's off of Cherry, right?
Yes, sir.
Off Cherry. All right, guys, I got Papa Willie here. Man, folks, I forgot. I'm so excited. Look at this. I was just telling Jackie how he did good. Let me tell you, when I first met Jackie, what it was like. I just got done eating at Chili's. I was really hungry, got done working out. Basically, I'm gonna say, I don't know, not to put down chili, but I don't know, their buns are a little greasy, even though I washed my hands. Came in there, I was tired from basically multitasking. You know how we do it over here at the Wise Guy channel in the Backyard Project. Mrs. Wise Guy, wanted this, and Jackie, he really basically, like I said, went the extra mile, right? He pretty much, this thing, wait till it's all done. This is all recliners, electric recliners. Oh, I want you to know something too, right? So Jackie's prices are just excellent. Excellent. I'm gonna call it unbeatable. Yeah, show me that move. I like that, man. Yeah. Unbeatable, right? Hey, even all this insulation, right? And, whatever, $100, well worth it, man. You gotta be basically crazy, man. Have to hump all this in, put it all together, right? For $100, well worth it. This man works hard. He's over here on Friday night. Put it together because we know his Saturday. Hey, is your store open on Sundays too?
7 days a week.
Yeah. 11
a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays.
There you go. I like that, man.
Hey,
what's amazing is his handicap stuff, right? Literally, so when the elderly people have to get up out of their, say, recliners, the thing raises up so they don't have far to go, right? Helps them get up on all twos, or I'm saying it wrong because like I said, I'm excited over this. Anyway,
and I like to say, when elderly folks buy things, we know that you need it. Other places know that you need it, so they charge you knowing that you need it. My father's in a wheelchair. When we know you need something, we bring the price down to make it affordable for you because you need it.
And let me tell you something. This is what I'm going to say, right? When it comes to his prices, right? I didn't go bother shopping because I knew, anybody watching our channel, we already got on the house we're flipping, and it's in the contract. We sold it right away. I basically, because Jackie says he does staging furniture, right, Jackie?
Yes, sir.
Our next basically flip, we'll let Jackie stage it. I knew his prices were so good. It was a warm day. We thought, why even bother looking? And we made the right decision. Anyway, we'll show you more as he's putting it together at the end. Hey, and I forgot to show you guys who's watching Jackie too. She was there when we bought it. Say hello, little Lena. Little Lena got herself a haircut today. Funny thing is, when I locked her up in the master bedroom for a second, while we basically running stuff in, she just basically had to come out to watch the action. All right, guys are out there grabbing the next load. That came with some pillows. We got some more. Yeah, this is all recliners. Yeah, is this the buttons over here? Jackie said they're going to be in between these ones here. Yeah, you can see how it all is, right? Okay. It definitely looks well built. There's the other one, give you another view. Jackie was telling us too, if something happened, right? I said we have gas, the recliners extended, and let's just say somebody breaks it, all this is modular. No problem. Give them a call. Just swap out basically any of this hardware. Oh, check this out. Hey, is that a UP port right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, I didn't even know that came with it. Nice. Just getting better and better. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, so look at that. See those buttons right there? Yeah, nice.
Makes it harder for the grandbabies to find it as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice, man. Cool.
That's in. Does the front look like it's in?
What do you say, little Lena?
No.
Huh? We'll put your little stairs on that. Are you getting excited? Think I have to get a power bar out?
These actually all plugged in. I just want to get the wires cleaned up real nice, so it doesn't look like it's just hanging around.
Yeah, well, yeah. I was just telling Jack, instead of him worrying about tidying up the cords, he just throw them underneath there. I'll get in there later.
Look, I can't do that, Doc. I gotta make it look nice.
I know you're trying.
See how clean that looks now?
Oh yeah, it was nice. Hopefully that basey white cord basey reaches over there. What do you think? Yeah,
oh, yeah.
Yeah. We are all good. In fact, I like the
nice
way,
and clean.
I like the way that looks. Thank you, Jackie.
You're welcome, brother.
Yeah, this is like Christmas over here. What you say, little Lena? Huh? We're going to do some more deliveries now.
Oh yeah, we got a lot of stuff loaded still in the truck. Headed to Albuquerque. Then we're headed over, so we're going to Volcano Vista area. Then we're going over by San Mateo and Carlisle area. Then we're going to leave from there, load back up, and head to Algodones. So we deliver till 2 a.m. because people work night shifts. And those are the people that also need that timing for their schedule.
Man. Oh,
We figure it out.
You guys, man. Okay, so we got the baseball basic thing going. Well, I'm gonna say you're definitely hitting 500.
Hey, without the Ninja Turtles, I'm not kicking no butt, baby.
Yeah. All right, guys, man. Hey, you guys want some Gatorade for the road?
Sure, I'll take a Gatorade.
All right, let me get you guys some beverages. All right, these boys will get them a few. Right, they're working late. They really should have some coffee. Let's see what else we can give them. A little sugar high. All right. I got a little sugar. Got a little sugar in there for you guys.
Thank you, dear brother.
Hope you guys like chocolate chip cookies and Reese's peanut butter cups from basically Trader Joe's.
Thank you, dear brother. Those are all in the next delivery.
See you guys. His truck. All right. Jackie and his worker just blew out of here, throwing the rug kind of in place, kind of set it up a little bit. For all the people that watch this video on the wide world web, I want to especially thank you. And naturally, Jackie, I'm thanking you too, right? Hey, folks, notice Jackie basically all that shipping, packaging, or you could call it the trash, he hauled every bit away. And the sofa just looks nice. Now, if you guys are looking at, keep in mind, it just came out of the box, right? If you had to see it today, as I basically is editing this video, all the lines and everything poofed up. It's just beautiful and it operates fantastic. All right. Thank you, Jackie. And folks, we'll see you on the next video on the Wise Guy channel. I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.